Hello guys, and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis video. And Polygon Matic is giving us a bit of a breakdown move, and we continue to hold within our key area of support between the 0.22153 and the 0.24109. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons as to why we need to continue holding within these support box, and also give you the possible breakout scenarios for the next coming hours. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the 4-hour chart, here I have been observing an ABC corrective structure to the upside from the lows we made on the 6th of May, where you can see that we first saw that initial bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave A, then started a bit of a pullback to the lower side in the formation of these wave B, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made down there to the high of that wave A. And also doing the area that I have been paying attention to as support was between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that was between the 0.22265 and the 0.2424, which is the red target area here on the chart. And you can see that Polygon Matic has continued to hold within that area, and at the time of this recording we have now fully maximized the target area, and there's a very high chance that in the next coming hours we can easily start a reversal to the upper side, starting the formation of these wave C to the upper side, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows that we have at the moment in the formation of that wave B. And also doing the area that I will be paying attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.33856, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming hours. But also remember that this is not, we don't have a confirmed low in place in the formation of these wave B, and that means that in case the market continues to see further retracements, there's a very high chance that we are going to make one more new low within this red target area before we can finally bounce in the formation of these wave 3. And remember, as long as you continue holding within this zone over here, then there's a very high chance of us getting us another bounce in the formation of these wave C. But if by any chance at some point we get a break to the lower side of this red target area, then I will be watching for further breakdown moves to support above the 0.1934 in the next coming hours. So that is something else that we need to have in mind. Also remember that this ABC corrective structure over here is part of a larger wave C to the upper side, which is part of an ABC corrective structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that we first saw that initial bounce in the formation of that wave A, so a pullback in the formation of this wave B, which continued to hold within Fibonacci key areas of support, an area that gave us a bit of a reaction to the upside in what I have been terming as the start of an impulsive bounce in the formation of this wave C to the upper side, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the wave B. And also doing the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.39339 as our first target area. So that means that if Polygon Matic continues to hold above support over here above the 0.22283, there's a very high chance of another impulsive bounce getting us above the 0.39 in the next coming days. And the worst case scenario will only play out if we lose the 0.22283 in the next coming hours. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the POL chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and that will ensure you stay up to date.